Hi, Donna here from Ready to Stamp. Today's question is, how do I keep my card straight when I'm trimming? So, as you're cutting your cardstock, couple things. Make sure you have it all the way up to the edge, whether it's Stampin' Up's trimmer or or a different one. Make sure that you have it butted up against the edge, the top edge of the trimmer, like so. And then I like to, a lot of times, and sometimes I'll do it because I forget, but a lot of times people will pull their cutter down this way. And sometimes if you're not holding it steady, you don't have a tight grip on it to hold it there, it'll move. And so then your cut will move. So what I like to do is start from the bottom. Again, we're going to make sure it's clicked down. You're going to line it up to where you want to cut it. And start from the bottom, move to the top. Because if you're moving to the top, you're pushing your cardstock up against the rim right here. So, and then it can't go anywhere. At least that's what I found. So start from the bottom and move up, and that'll help keep your cut straight on your cardstock. I hope you found this answer helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to check out the rest of my videos on my YouTube channel, or send me a question at donna@readytostamp.com. My name is Donna with Ready to Stamp. Thanks for watching and happy creating.